My name is Anthony Reed. I was 22 years old when I was diagnosed with end-stage renal disease.
The stages of kidney disease have to do with the level of kidney function. They're so-called G stages from 1 to 5.
I was in pretty bad shape. There was a wonder I was still even living. Kidneys have basically stopped working. It's not able to take the toxins off your body. They said I probably went to sleep one night that week and probably would never woke up.
It would be time to start to say, does Anthony have a family member or a friend who's willing to donate a kidney? So living donor, kidney transplant. Or if he doesn't have a living donor, then we can start with a deceased donor. The laboratory is extremely important for finding a match, so the blood type usually is matched. Then there are other more complex types of matching. There's HLA matching and there are cross matching. All of this is dependent on the laboratory professional to determine if the kidneys are compatible.
The transplant went well. I was very happy with that. There was some changes that I had to make. They wanted me to go to labs 2 times a week to get my blood drawn to see where my levels were at.
Without the numbers from the laboratory, we really would be shooting in the dark, and we really wouldn't know how to make our decisions, or we wouldn't have evidence to make our decisions.
Without that lab work, I would more than likely be just a memory. I wouldn't be married, I wouldn't have had my kids. So I'm very grateful for the labs.